Women.
Number 1. The environmentalist, Wangari Maathai, 1940 to 2011. Professor Wangari Maathai was a mover and shaker and responsible for founding the Green Belt movement. Her tireless efforts saw over 51 million trees planted in Kenya. Maathai was born in a rural village in the Nyeri district and went on to study in the US, Germany, and Nairobi, and earned her PhD, the first woman in East and Central Africa to do so. A travel blogger, Isabella Bird, 1831 to 1904. If you're wondering why travel is in your blood and the need to explore runs deep in your soul, it's probably because of our predecessor, Isabella Bird. She caught the travel bug during a time women didn't really travel alone, and she spent the better half of the 19th century on the road. She rode horseback, hiked mountains, and peered into volcanoes across the globe, all while recording her travels in her books and photographs. She explored Tibet, Malaysia, India, America, Japan, Hawaii, China, Iran, and countless other countries during her life. Ada Lovelace, 1815 to 1852. Ada Lovelace conjures up images of silk scarves and feather boas, not numbers and algorithms. But this incredible woman, the only legitimate daughter of the poet Lord Byron, is considered the first computer programmer. Ada's mother ensured that she had a good education and didn't want to think that Ada could possibly be insane as her father was perceived. Her work on Charles Babbage's The Analytical Engine is what really got Lovelace recognized.
Incredible.
Loving.
Poet.
Complex.
Powerful.
Everything.
It's Women's Day.
Today? I did not know that, but that's cool.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ.
நீங்க வீட்ல இல்லைன்னா கஷ்டப்படுவாங்களா?
ஆமா, ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுவாங்க. நானும் வேலை செஞ்சு கொண்டு போய் போட்டாதான் பசங்க சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க வீட்டுல. நானே படிக்காதனால இந்த வீட்டு வேலை செஞ்சு எங்க பசங்களை எங்க பொண்ணை படிக்க வச்சேன். எங்க பையனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் மைண்டு சரியில்லை. என்ன படிக்க வச்சிருந்தா இந்த வேலை செஞ்சிருக்க மாட்டேன். எங்க வீட்லயும் கொஞ்சம் வசதி. எங்க பொண்ணை படிக்க வச்சேன், டிகிரி படிக்க வச்சேன்.
ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದಿನ ಎರಡು ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆಗೂ ಇವಾಗೂ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಸರಿಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು?
ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈಗಂತೂ ಈಗಿನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡಿದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಜನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಮೇಲೆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಆದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ತುರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ.
What do you think is the importance of women in the world?
Yeah, it is important. Why not? I mean, women are the 50% of this world, and they are the main stay in every family. That without women, it is very difficult to proceed further in the family. She is more important than men actually.
ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ,
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
These are such small things which show the importance of women. What are the changes that will lead to the development of women?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಒಬ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅವರೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
We say that we are advanced now. There is a lot of inclusion, and I work for a MNC. They say that there is a lot of inclusion, there is diversity, but I still feel somewhere this is missing. So we should be more inclusive. That is what we feel, specifically in the top management, where I see there is a lot of vacuum, there is a lot of gap. So that is where I feel there should be a lot of inclusion. People should be more inclusive. Yeah, and that is our theme this time for the Women's Day.
Yeah.
Do you think that there should be awareness about it? Like a lot of times it's known as a taboo that men should not be known much about it. It is only a woman's thing and it's taken as a problem rather than a natural phenomena. What do you think about that?
For the education for the men you're talking about? Yeah, it should be there because it's most important for the men to know that whatever she is going through at the time, how to behave and how to be there with her as a support system. That is more important because that is a time a woman become little vulnerable. So that time men should have some education regarding that, and he should support at that time. Yeah.